Amidst all the drama surrounding the TikTok ban, last night X introduced a new vertical video tab, and after spending a few hours playing around with it, here's everything I learned. The first thing I noticed is that the user interface needs quite a bit of work. I'll spare you the nitty-gritty details, but basically the feed just isn't as clean as TikTok or Reels. You can't double tap to like. The default setting is to auto advance as opposed to loop. You can't half swipe and hold to pause the video. You have to actually click the pause button. You have to click on the caption to bring up the original post if you want to read the comments. And there's this big scrubber in the middle of the feed. So hopefully things improve with time, but as of right now, there's a lot of work to be done. Next, I noticed that embedded videos play in the feed without giving credit to the original poster. So on X, you can embed someone else's video and it will put their name underneath the video, giving them credit. And if you click on it, it will take you to the original video. But if you view a video from the dedicated video feed, it will not show credit anywhere. And this is concerning because X does not have video monetization. All they have is their current monetization system, which pays for verified engagement. So that means if someone embeds your video and then someone else views it in the dedicated video tab and interacts with it, the person who embedded the video would get paid, but the original poster would not. In my opinion, this feed should only show original videos. And there's also no copyright system. So most of the videos posted on X are stolen from other platforms anyways. So if you scroll through the feed, most of the videos you'll see are just taken from TikTok. Another thing, there doesn't appear to be a length limit for the videos. So as I was scrolling through, most of the videos were just a few minutes or shorter, but there were some that were 15 minutes plus. In my opinion, there should be a separate section for long form videos because some people post full length podcasts on here. So imagine if you were scrolling through YouTube Shorts and then there were some random long form videos mixed in there. I just don't know how I feel about that. I think there should be a separate tab for long form videos. But here's the real kicker. All of this functionality has already existed on the platform for months. If you click on a video from the timeline and swipe up, it will play another video. So essentially, X has hyped up this feature when really they just added a button to the navigation. But Elon's style is very much ship first, fix later. So my guess is that they just wanted to capitalize on all the attention surrounding TikTok and just whip something up. But I know they've been working on this tab for over a year, so they probably have something else up their sleeve. And if there is one positive thing to come out of this, having a dedicated video tab should lead to more people watching videos. I don't know how many people knew that this functionality already exists, so creating a dedicated tab for it should lead to more people watching videos. If you are a video creator on another platform and you're wondering whether X is worth it, I think it doesn't hurt to start posting your videos here. Just keep in mind that for now, other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts are going to perform much better for you. If you want to learn more about Elon's plans to turn X into a video-first platform, I recently made this video where I shared 3 things X needs to compete with YouTube.